One hard swing after another, this angry customer smashed through the front windows of the back home restaurant, all because they were out of Jamaican beef patties.
Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. When I saw this story, it was funny to me and also very disheartening at the same time. Because, you know, Jamaican beef patty turn up, okay, when somebody is going to vandalize a restaurant because the patty done. Because there's no more patties. I saw this story, but I also wanted to see the video and see the proof. And I actually found the video and found an article to go with the video. So let's get into it. It says, one hard swing after another. This angry customer smashed through the front windows of the back home restaurant, all because they were out of Jamaican beef patties. Okay, the patty them done. So she start broke out the people them window. I saw. That's according to the owner, Simone Johnson, who was so shaken by what happened, she asked us not to show her face. If someone could do something like that over a beef patty, they are capable of doing something else, Johnson said. After fighting with the clerk, Johnson said the enraged customer returned a few minutes later, this time with an aluminum bat, causing more than $2,000 in damages. I had to call in an emergency glass repair company. They took the measurement that night. They came the next day. The incident happened last month, but the repairs continue. We watched crews carry out sheet rocks into the restaurant on East 169th Street to fix framing and other structural damage related to the attack. Wow, I'm not laughing because it's funny, but I can't believe that she did that. Wow. Showed the video to Jonathan Jackson, a regular at the back home restaurant. They're great people here, Jackson said. Very kind, very caring. I just can't believe that someone would actually do something like that. I have people that come from different places, Johnson said. Westchester County, Rockland County, people that come back from Georgia. They stock up with patties because they want to come back home with them. We have people who love them. I love them as well. Johnson says the woman has ordered from the restaurant before but doesn't know her name. Police need your help finding the suspect.
That's according to the owner, Simone Johnson, who's so shaken by what happened, she asked us not to show her face.
If someone could do something like that over a beef patty, they're capable of doing anything.
After fighting with the clerk, Johnson says the enraged customer returned a few minutes later, this time with an aluminum bat, causing more than $2,000 in damage.
I had to call an emergency glass repair company. They took the measurements that night. They came the next day.
The incident happened last month, but the repairs continue. We watched crews carry sheetrock into the restaurant on East 169th.
Police need your help finding the suspect. They say the woman has thin build and long black braided hair. She was last seen wearing a black and white fur hooded winter coat, black leggings, black and white sneakers. When I first saw this, I thought it was funny also, but I also thought it was disheartening because you can't vandalize someone's property because they don't have the food that you want. We understand that you love the beef patties and we understand that you're supporting our business, but don't vandalize our property. There's nothing someone can control if they don't have any more patties. They can only order a certain amount, and if the certain amount that they order is finished, that is what it is. And I'm going to insert the video footage in here for you guys to see for yourself. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Have you ever seen anybody done any craziness like this? Like vandalize a restaurant because the patty was done, or vandalize a restaurant because them never have curry goat or chicken foot soup, or what are your thoughts? And have you ever seen anybody done craziness like this before? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. I wonder if this is a woman I want Black American or she is a Caribbean person, because I love to know. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Have people that come from different places, from Rockland County, from Westchester County, people that come back from Georgia. They stack up with the patties because they want to go back home with them. So we do have, yeah, we have people that love them. I love them as well.
The good news, no one was hurt. Now, police need your help finding the suspect. They say that she has a thin-billed, long braided hair. She's wearing a black and white fur hooded coat, as well as black leggings with black and white sneakers. Reporting in the Morrisania section of the Bronx, Matt Kozar, TV 1055.